My name is Musa Abdullah Hilon, Attorney General Commissioner of Justice, Kano State. Well, today is indeed a very sad day for the people of Kano State and indeed Nigeria. We presented three cases before the magistrate court today. The first one is against one Awalu Abdul Rashid of Tofa, who is being accused of the kidnap and murder of Zoira Gambo, a 12-year-old girl. This heinous act took place about last month. The police conducted an investigation when the parents of the young girl reported to the police that she's missing. Fortunately, the police did a very thorough job. He was arrested. He took her to an uncompleted building and slaughtered her and buried her in a shallow grave. The dead body was recovered by the police. Of course, they finished investigation, and he was also charged before the magistrate court today and at No Man's Land. Equally, he also kidnapped Mustafa Isaac, a 5-year-old boy, 3-year-old boy, from the same house. He kidnapped the young boy first, and then he was paid some money, and he released the boy, or he abandoned the boy rather, and later he kidnapped the 12-year-old girl who he slaughtered in an uncompleted building and buried her in the shallow grave. That FIR was taken today, and he has been remanded in prison custody. And you are all here when the FIR was read against Abdul Malik Mohammed and 2 others, that is Isiaq Hamisu and Fatima Jibril, for the kidnap and heinous murder of Hanifa, a 5-year-old girl. We are all aware of that case. It has been trending on the news media. What I would like to assure you is that the Ministry of Justice is going to, within the next 3-4 days, file a charge before the Bopa court. We intend to pursue this case vigorously, and within the next month or 2, by the grace of God, we are going to finish with the prosecution of this case. I call on all people of Kano State to please stay calm. Let the law take its course. We are a society of law-abiding citizens. We do know that it is very, very painful when this kind of things happen. We tend to ask ourselves what is happening with our society, but you should all understand that we are living peacefully because of the rules and regulations we have, because of the laws governing us. If not for those laws, and if not for the security agencies and the security agents, these suspects would not have been arrested within the shortest possible time. I assure you, as they have been arrested within the shortest possible time and brought to court, I would also assure you again that within the shortest possible time, we are going to prosecute them to the full extent of the law. So please and please, I call on people of Kano State to exercise patience, not to take the law into their hands. The state government is fully aware of what is happening, and we are fully ready and prepared to tackle these cases. Thank you very much.
Has the court accepted your application to remand the suspect?
Yes, we made in all the cases. Of course, we applied first of all for the FIR to be read to the understanding of the accused persons in the language they understand, which was done. You were in court. FIR was read. They understood the contents of the FIR. Of course, you know, magistrate courts, of course, do not have jurisdiction to try this case. The essence of it is that, as you can see, the system, the police conducted investigation. They have finished their investigation within the shortest possible time, and they brought the case diary to us. We cannot, by today or tomorrow, prepare the charge. and the police cannot continue to keep them in their custody because the law does not give them that power. So they have to bring them to court, and that is why they are here today. And as you have heard, this case was adjourned to the 2nd of February. Before then, by that time, the charge will have been ready. Because the magistrate agreed with our application, granted our application, we remanded them to prison. But before then, I show you, charges will have been out, and we will take them to the proper court.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Sunana Musa Abdullahi da kwamishinan shari'a na jihar Kano. Kamar yadda kuka sani, akwai wasu shari'u har guda 2 zuwa 3 wanda a yau aka gabatar da su a gaban kotu. Na farkon shari'a shine wanda aka kai shi Awwalu Abdulrashid wanda yake daga Tufa, inda ake tuhumarsa. Tuhuma ta farko shine ya sace wata yarinya zuwa ya shekara 12, wadda ya kai ta, ya yanka ta, ya kuma tona rami ya binne ta. 'Yan sanda cikin gaggawa sun yi bincike kuma suka gano shi, aka kawo shi, aka yi bincike, aka kuma kawo kundin bincike a gaban kotu. Yau muka gabatar da shi gaban kotu, aka karanta mai tuhumarsa kuma ya gane tuhumar, sannan muka roƙi kotu da ta kai shi gidan yari domin a ba mu kwanaki zuwa kwana 7 lokacin mun duba kundin bincike kuma mun shirya tuhuma wadda ta dace, mun kai shi kuma gaban kotu wadda ta dace. Haka zalika shi din dai akwai yaro Mustapha ɗan shekara 3 wanda shi ma ya sace shi, amma alhamdulillah wannan bai kai ga ya kashe shi ba. Shi ma an tabbatar da cewa shi ne, shi ma kuma an karanta mai wannan tuhumar, kuma an shi ma ita ma wannan tuhumar ya ce ya gane ta, kuma an kai shi kurkuku akan wannan tuhumar ma. Ita ma muna nan muna shiri saboda kundin bincike a zo hannunmu, za mu shirya tuhumar da ya dace. Sannan akwai shi wannan kes na Abdulmalik Muhammad Bello da Isiyaku Hamisu da Fatima Jibrin, wanda ake tuhumar su da sace ita wannan yarinya marigayya Hanifa ya shekara 5, wadda suka sace ta kuma daga ƙarshe ita ma suka halaka ta, suka kuma binne ta a cikin wani kabari, wanda 'yan sanda cikin gaggawa shi ma suka yi bincike, suka gano su kuma aka gano kabarin. A yau aka gabatar da su gaban kotu, kuma kotu ta karanta musu tuhuma wadda suka gane, sannan daga nan kuma muka roƙi kotu da kai su gidan yari, ba mu kwanaki 7 domin mu duba kundin binciken, mu yi tuhumar da ta dace, kai kuma kotun da ta dace. Insha Allah muna yi wa mutane alƙawari cewar wa'annan shari'u in Allah ya da cikin gaggawa za a yi su a gama su, saboda tabbatarwa da cewar an bi wa wa'annan mamata hakkinsu. Muna kira ga mutanen jihar Kano da Allah da Annabi, dama mutanen jihar Kano masu bin doka ne da ka'ida, kuma ba dan da doka da ka'ida ba da ba za a cikin gaggawa a yi bincike har a gano su wa'annan mutane da suka yi wannan. To kamar yadda aka yi haƙuri aka yi binciken nan cikin gaggawa, to a yi haƙuri, a cikin ƙanƙanin lokaci za mu gurfanar da su a gaban kotun da ya dace, kuma cikin ƙanƙanin lokaci insha Allahu shari'a ta yi aiki. Assalamu alaikum.